welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I welcome you. I do a lot of makeup videos, vlogs, unboxings, Zumba recipes. We kind of do it all on this channel, so if that's something you're interested, please stick around and don't forget to subscribe. And let's get into today's video. We're obviously going to have a lot of fun trying out new makeup today. I cannot tell you guys how happy I am. I mean, I've mentioned this before and you probably know if you follow me, or if you know anything about me, that one of my all-time favorite YouTubers, one that I have been following since she began on YouTube, and one that I can honestly say she has stayed true to herself. I love her so much. And you know who I'm talking about? It's CARLI BYBEL, and she's beautiful inside and out. That's all I can say. But I'm so happy because she finally, guys, it happened. She finally came out with her own makeup brand. I am so ready for this. If you know anything about CARLI BYBEL, also you know that she has done a lot of collaborations in the past with other makeup brands like Beach Cosmetics, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Il Makiage, and I've bought like a lot of those collections. So I really honestly, I love her and I love all the collaborations that she's come out with. So when she announced that she was coming out with her own brand, immediately launch day, I was so happy it was a Saturday because I wasn't working, and I was like, right on time, I jumped onto the website and I got what I wanted. When she came out with her video talking about her products, I kind of already like had in mind what I wanted, because she does have a range of things, and this is what she's starting out with, and I'm pretty sure she's going to come up with more in the future, but this is her start, her first launch. So let's get into a review and kind of talk about what my first thoughts and impressions are on her products that I got. Then she did do kind of like fairy tale theme, and you can see the beautiful dress that she has on, and the background I am absolutely in love with. And in the back, I did get it signed. I'm so happy. Like, that's how much of a fangirl I am. Like, I'm sorry, but this is exciting. Her signature in the back is like the cherry on top. So her brand is called The Beauty Bible. That was kind of like her name on YouTube when she first started out. We're gonna go ahead and talk about what we got. So just real quickly, some things that I didn't get is she did come out with an eyeshadow palette, her very own eyeshadow palette, and it's so beautiful. I didn't get it because I think I already have some things similar to it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I'll go ahead and pop in a picture right here, because if you guys are interested, you know, go for it. But that is her eyeshadow palette. She also came out with an eyeliner pen. Beautiful packaging. Like, this woman put in a lot of thought and effort into her product, so I really appreciate that. But that eyeliner pen, look how beautiful it is, and I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I'm a fan of wing eyeliner, so if you are too, there you go. And then she also came out with a lot of highlighters. I went ahead and I purchased one of them, and I haven't opened any of these up because I wanted my first impressions of opening it from the outer packaging, like my impression to be on video, like, you know, documented. I got mine in the shade Bible, and you can see the packaging. It's a very beautiful like periwinkle or like pastel blue, and the details of it, it's like a rose gold. I love what it says up here, aspire to inspire, and she's always like had that saying. I remember her BH Cosmetics palette, that's what she put on there also, and she, you know, for a lot of people, she is an inspiration. So here we have the Beauty Bible on top, and we have aspire to inspire there. We have the shade Bible in the back, and then it does say what it is here, highlighter. Well, I'm a fan of rose gold myself, so I can like strap this forever. I have no highlighter on, no highlighter, and no lipstick on, so we're gonna try out that. Oh, I already gave it away. Anyways, probably already know. So I have no highlighter on right now. You know, whatever shine or whatever that I have, this is just my makeup. I've had it on for a while. Actually, it's been maybe a few hours, like maybe 4. It's so cute. It's also like rose gold on the inside, and it says aspire to inspire here also. So you see that? How cute is that? So that's like super cute. And here she is. Ooh, on both sides it has aspire to inspire. Look at that inside. Oh, so pretty. I can't believe it. It's in my hands. I finally have it. The Beauty Bible. Okay, so now this is what the product packaging looks like. So you can see here the same color scheme, very pretty. The shade here on the back, and not too thick. All right, we're going to open it up. Oh, it's magnetic. Of course, I expected it. It's CARLI BYBEL. It's magnetic. Ah, how cool is this? So, okay, wait. Look at that shade. So here's the inside. You can see what beautiful shade that is. It does have a mirror as well. It has a little film, so I'm just gonna peel that off in a little bit. So that is what you have. And then watch, it is magnetic. So super cool. Okay, so not gonna lie, the film was a tiny bit hard, difficult to get in there. I kind of like had to like scrape it and then peel it off, but it didn't damage the mirror at all, so that's okay. I'm ready to apply this. Are you ready to see this? So first, let's go ahead and do a little swatch. I'm going to put it here on my finger. Ooh, wow. Here it is there. And let's see what it looks like here. Oh. So I like the shade. The reason why I chose this shade because I think it's going to complement my skin color like very well. Also, I think this is like universal. I think you can definitely, any skin tone would look really, really good with this color. So automatically to the touch, it's a very, very soft. It feels almost like creamy, but it's a powder. So that's interesting. For it to feel that silky, it's amazing. A little bit, I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I mean, it did look pretty pigmented. Okay. Ooh, oh, she shines. Ooh, okay. So usually I just like place it here on my cheekbones and a little bit here on top of my eyebrow. I needed the highlight. I feel like my face was just not complete without it. I was looking a little bit weird. Now I'm feeling more complete. Look at that. So you can see the difference. Highlight side and not highlight side. So I put a little bit less on this side now that I know it's gonna be like in your face. Yay, a little bit on my nose. Oh my gosh, and it smells. I hadn't noticed the smell until I put it on my nose. It smells like cake. It has a very nice sweet scent. I did not expect that. I usually see that in like lip products. I did not expect that from a highlighter. I do go in with my finger for my Cupid's bow, and that's just what I do regularly, so just a little bit. Let's see. I keep forgetting this thing has a mirror, so I'm like looking at this mirror, but then I forget I can use this, so I don't know. Sorry. Okay. Yes! A little bit more, because I like it there a lot. How cute! Silky, soft, creamy, but it is a powder, and it's giving exactly what I want. I needed a highlighter, so yay! Now that we have the highlighter on, we're going to move on to the lips. And for lips, she does have quite a few products. She does have lip liners, and I didn't purchase any of the lip liners, but she does have quite a few of those. And then she also has lip glosses, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about that next. I did get 2 of them. Again, I can't remember off the top of my head how many lip glosses she has, but I did go ahead and pick up 2 of them. So here they are. I have one in the shade Jody and the other one in the shade Amanda. And this, I don't know, these are the 2 that stood out to me. And it's funny because this is actually Jody, her mom, and then Amanda, her sister. So it's kind of like, oh, you know, I don't know, it was cute. Oh, also this collection, it's like very, very personalized to her. The thing she named after people that are important in her life. So I think that's very meaningful. So anyways, just throwing it out there. Let's go ahead and look at the outer packaging again. So just the same color and the same rose gold. We have here on one side where it says lip gloss, and then the other side here where it says Jody. I think if I can remember right, I think Jody was the clear one. So we're going to start off with that. I have nothing on my lips. Woo, yes it is. Rose gold on the inside again. This one doesn't say aspire to inspire, just so you guys know. The lip glosses don't have it, okay? But it has the rose gold. It has such a pretty sheen to it. Like, I'm just admiring this part, the handle. Like, I think these are one of those things that you just have to admire in person, because OMG, it's just so beautiful. So this is like your everyday go-to, I think, basic clear lip gloss. I think that's what she like wanted it to be for. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out on the lips. Just bare on my lips to see what it looks like by itself. Smells like the highlighter. That's one swipe. The brush is not flimsy. It's a little bit more sturdy, so you can like really, really put it on. What do you guys think? It's just a basic clear gloss. It definitely gave me shine, so if you want to go for like maybe a no makeup look, you can just throw this onto your lips. They look juicy, they look healthy. I like it, I do like it, and that was without lip liner. Usually I put on a lip liner and then maybe a clear gloss on top. This looks really pretty by itself. And I know you guys are probably thinking, well, you love CARLI BYBEL, of course you're gonna be saying nice things about her brand. Actually, I have very high expectations of her brand, so if I'm saying these are good, it's because I really think they're good. Because if they weren't good, I'd be like, hey, yo, girl, you let us down. But no, I think she's doing a good job, an awesome job so far. Look at that. And it's not sticky. You know that feeling of sticky lip gloss? This one This one is not sticky. It feels very moisturizing too, by the way. It feels like I just lathered my lips in like Vaseline. That's what it feels like that kind of moisturizing. I like it. Okay, as much as I would love to keep this on my lips, we gotta try out Amanda. Oh, guys. I'm gonna cry how beautiful this is. I even got goosebumps. Can you guys tell I got goosebumps? No lie. If you need a pink shimmer gloss, this one is it. If I were a lip gloss, this would be me. Ooh! So you can already tell it's different from Jody. Like that shimmer, the shimmers makes it more iridescent. So you can see here on the bottom. Do you see that? It's not just me. You go, Carly. You go. Go off, girl. Is that what they're saying nowadays? I'm such a loser. Just as smooth. The shimmers, you don't feel them at all. Wow. And now that it's her brand, now I don't have to worry about them being limited edition. I can go and grab them anytime I want. And if these lip glosses look this beautiful on just bare lips, can you just imagine how pretty they'll be on top of a lip liner or on top of a lipstick? I don't know what you did, Carly, but you're doing something. You are definitely on the right track with this. And then what I did go all out in, and I did get every single one of them, are the lipsticks. So I did go ahead and it came out cheaper if you got the bundle. So I did get what is called the lipstick bundle. So it came with all 6 of her lipsticks. So the packaging is all the same, so you can see here the very beautiful color and rose gold that you have here. You do have this side that says matte lipstick, and then turn it around and the shade is right here. And this one that I have picked up is Ren's, like her little baby. There's the rose gold on the inside, and the lipstick bullet looks just like this. Just holding this makes you happy. Just looking at it makes me very happy. Do you guys see the design on this lipstick? It's just incredible. The amount of detail and effort and time that I think Carly put into this, it's outstanding. It really is admirable. She poured her heart and soul into her brand. The lipstick bullet is not magnetic, so it's not like the highlighter that the packaging was magnetic, but they do click. For even more fun, we're going to try on the lipsticks again with no lip liner. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like on my bare lips. So let's go ahead and wipe off this lip gloss. Okay, I'm going to begin with the lipstick that we first picked up, which is Ren's. It looks like an everyday nude. I think this might be my favorite, but I can't tell you that yet because I haven't tried it on my lips. But it looks like something I would reach for typical everyday kind of easygoing makeup. So let's go ahead and try out Ren's. They're so beautiful, like I don't want to use them, but obviously that's what they're for. That changed my whole look like completely. Super soft. Yeah, it's a very nice nude. I like. Next one that I'm picking up is in the shade Nicole. And this one, let's see. It looks like it has a little bit more pinky in it. So like a nude pink, I want to say. This one might be my favorite. It's slightly different. It's going to be another nude, but it definitely has more pink in it. It might be actually maybe kind of slightly the color of my lips, I'm thinking. Maybe a little bit darker. Let's find out. Again, with that beautiful design, just so you guys know, all your lipsticks will have this gorgeous floral stamp on it. This is gonna be my everyday shade, this one. Ren's was a little bit darker, still a nude, but it was more like a brownie, like a brown, kind of almost like it had some gray tone to it when I put it on. This is more of an everyday. Guys, do you see how beautiful? You would never think that these are matte lipsticks because of how comfortable they feel on the lips. Next, let's try out the shade Monica. This one to me looks like another nude shade. I think it's gonna be lighter than Ren's. And it doesn't have as much pink tone, I think, as Nicole did. So it might be like an in-between. It doesn't look pink here because Nicole looks a little bit more pink on the bullet, but when I applied it to my lips, like on my skin tone, this actually shows up more pink. I don't know, does that make sense? Nicole was definitely more of a nude shade, and this is more pinky in my opinion. That was just 3, that was half of them, and I can't choose a favorite, and we still have another 3 to go. Next shade we have is Daphne. And this one is gonna be a, ooh, this looks like a dark nude. Ooh, this is gonna be, I think, pretty for fall. Yeah, you see, it's darker. Oops, I kind of messed up here. So darker mauve, it's like rosy mauve. Next shade we have is Amy. This looks, I want to say it's darker than that previous one we just tried. So this to me, it's like looking like a dark mauve, almost like a berry. It has like some berry in it. And last but not least, we have the shade Lindsay. This one right here, oh, look guys, it's gonna be the most beautiful candy apple red. I think just in time for the holidays. Love at first swipe. Look how white my teeth look. Wait, let me make a pretty smile. That was not it. I can't smile with my teeth. Oh, what was that? Anyways, applying it takes no effort at all. I am done trying out all the products I got from the Beauty Bible. Conclusion. Yes, guys, I love it. I mean, I didn't expect less coming from Carly. I mean, I know she won't just put out products that are just like whatever. She really will put the time and effort into making these products high quality, and that's really what she did here. I'm super proud of her, excited and happy I am to have these little goodies in my makeup collection. The lipsticks are bomb.com, so you get the look of a matte lip but the feel of something moisturizing. The highlight, of course, I'm still like looking at myself, oh, it just gets better with time. I should have gotten more. The lip glosses, I'm super happy with both of them. I cannot stop staring at it because it's so pretty with all the shimmers and comfortable. Again, that shimmer, because usually I do have some lip glosses that have shimmer in it, like the glitters, and you can feel it gritty on your lips. This one had absolutely none of that. I had super high expectations and she did not let me down, so thank you, Carly, for that. Congratulations on your brand. I'm talking like as if she's gonna see this. A girl can wish. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have tried out the Beauty Bible, and I'm gonna tell you right now, if you hadn't, I do highly recommend it to you. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.